Questions? Let's take about 3 questions if possible. Those you can actually watch this proceeding immediately.
Roundabouts which had flickering lights to control traffic, because traffic is a problem. Stakeholder involvement.
Request the panelists take about 3 minutes to 5 minutes.
Sustainable development requires that as we engage in various activities, we do not lose out on the need to observe the interdependence between development and environment. Without taking care of environment, nothing will do, as development may not only be unsustainable, but may as well be counterproductive.
We can increase the volume of trade, intra-Africa trade, across our borders with ease. Without standards, it is not possible actually to improve. So standards are very important, especially now when you talk about e-commerce. We are saying that at the comfort of your house, you can be able to get, a product from very far by just giving specifications that are correct.